Hi, back from Altum Strategy Group with Matt, our CEO and co-founder, and Andy Pogina, one of the managing directors. Today we want to talk a little bit about data and the use of it. Uh, so Matt, we often talk about the data pyramid, and it's secondary to the way you think, but maybe just share what that structure looks like and maybe
Sure.
a use case of it.
Yeah, so when we at Altum think about data, we think about it through the lens of data maturity. And a good way to mentally think about it is think of a pyramid. At the foundation of the pyramid, you have data. That could be customer data, that could be vendor data, that could be all sorts of data. Data ultimately has to be enriched to become information. Information then generates insights. Insights then allow businesses to take action. And at the very top of that pyramid is excellence. So when all those things really come together, it allows a business to understand where they are today, anticipate what pivots, if any, are needed, also understand what the macroeconomic environment looks like, and take the appropriate action to continue to scale and unlock their potential.
So
Yeah,
Andy, with that in mind, from a cybersecurity and data management, do you have any comments or perspective on that?
yeah. I mean, I also think it kind of comes back to fundamentals again too, in terms of being able to, understand kind of what data you are using, who has access to it, what logging do you have enabled around as well too. I do think classifications does come into play as well too, so that you can understand kind of what types of data are out there as well. But in the end, kind of the fundamentals is what kind of helps protect that data, but then also at the same time allow you to get insight into kind of like how it's being used like throughout the environment.